Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the copyright checking tool on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to insert a video here. Your video must be like a minute, like a minimum of 1 minute. I'm trying to find the word, sorry. But when you go to the export section up here, you'll be able to see the check copyright button. So it says here, before sharing a video to TikTok, check whether the sounds in it have copyright issues to prevent it from being muted. You're then going to check the video. I don't think my video has any copyright issues because I don't use any music. It's just me talking, unless I sound like somebody. Probably not really. But as you can see, it says sound copyright check passed. So now you can just export it and upload it to TikTok and it won't get copyrighted. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.